Good morning. I'm Andy Myers at Weiss Research.
I'm Jen Amos, and this is your morning market alert for Friday, August 12th. Investors are on edge ahead of the opening bell, at the end of what has been one of the most volatile weeks in history. The Dow Industrials have swung more than 400 points in each of the past 4 days, the first time that's ever happened. As of this morning, the blue chip index is down more than 2.5% for the week. That's despite yesterday's 423-point rally, which was driven by an unexpected dip in the number of Americans filing initial jobless claims last week. And economic data may move the markets again today. Right now, investors are digesting a report on July retail sales. We'll bring you those numbers after the opening bell. Then later this morning, Reuters and the University of Michigan will release their reading of August consumer confidence.
We're seeing solid gains for stocks across Europe. Banks are leading the charge after suffering heavy losses this week. The markets are also getting a boost from a ban on short selling imposed by France, Italy, Spain, and Belgium. But analysts say that the move is only likely to support stocks for a day or two. French shares in particular have been slammed this week on speculation that the country could lose its AAA credit rating. And this morning we learned that France's economy recorded no growth in the second quarter. The Eurozone's second largest economy grew 0.9% in the first quarter, and economists were expecting a 0.3% expansion for the April through June period. Meanwhile, the Greek economy contracted 6.9% over the past 3 months versus the same period last year.
While the ban on short selling probably won't be a long-term fix for the Eurozone economy, it is giving a boost to the region's currency this morning. Right now, it's rising close to $1.43. The dollar is also losing ground against most other major currencies, but it continues to climb against the Swiss franc after the Swiss National Bank took additional measures to weaken its own currency earlier this week. The dollar's general weakness is helping support commodity prices this morning. Gold is holding steady above $1,750 an ounce after closing at a record near $1,800 on Wednesday. And crude oil is trading close to $86 a barrel, following sharp gains yesterday.
On the corporate front, we do have a couple big stock winners to tell you about. Chipmaker Nvidia is jumping nearly 12% ahead of the bell. After yesterday's closing bell, it posted second quarter numbers that topped estimates and projected better than expected sales growth for the third quarter. Department store chain Nordstrom also beat estimates with its quarterly profit, and that stock is gaining more than 5%. And finally, staying in the retail sector, keep an eye on shares of JC Penney. Right now, they're soaring 8% following a strong earnings report. That's the latest from Weiss Research. We'll be back after the opening bell with all the economic data and market reaction.